Good morning, kids. Day before yesterday, we have learned some patterns. Those are curve patterns. What we called it? We called it as curve patterns. है ना? We called it as curve patterns. Okay. So, what we have learned in our curve patterns? Which patterns we have learned? Left semicircle, right semicircle, up U pattern, down U pattern, mountain lines and valley lines, and the continuation of up pattern and U pattern, running up U pattern and running down U pattern. So these all the patterns we have learnt day before yesterday. So from today we are going to start to write some letters with the help of these all the patterns. Okay. So children, first of all, today we are going to learn letter. What is this? Yes, it is a carrot. So, carrot. Can you hear this carrot? Okay. So, children, today we are going to learn a new letter, that is C. C for carrot. Okay. C for carrot. C for carrot. And do you know what is the sound of C? And children, do you know what is the sound of C? The sound of C is K. What is the sound of C? The sound of C is K. K, K, carrot. K, K, cat. K, K, cake. K, K, cap. Okay. So this is the sound of C. So children, tell me, what is the sound of C? Yes, very good. The sound of C is K. What is the sound of C? K. Yes, very good. The sound of C is K. So children, आपको C देख के क्या याद आ रहा है? Which pattern you remember after looking at the letter C? कौन सा पैटर्न आपको याद आ रहा है? Yes, semicircle. Left side semicircle. Left side semicircle. है ना? So this is the semicircle. So how you will write letter C? You have to write it in the 3 lines. How you will write? C from the pink line to blue line, semicircle pattern. C. This is how we have to write C. C. Okay, so like this we have to write letter C. So before writing, we are going to see some letters, some words which are starting with the letter C. Okay, which are starting with the letter C. C, children? C. C. Capital C and small c. Capital C and small c. Mama letter and baby letter. Okay. So, the sound of C is K. And now I am going to tell you, I am going to read some words which are starting with the letter C. Okay. So, see children. C for comb. So, which sound you heard at the beginning of letter, at the beginning of word? C for comb. K, k, comb. K, k, comb. C for cap. C for cap. C for carrot. C for carrot. C for candle. C for candle. C for coin. K, k, coin. C for coin. C for cow. K, k, cow. C for car. K, k, car. Okay. See down, there are so many words which are starting with the letter C. Cake, camel, class, clock, coat, coconut, cot, crayon, cup. Okay, so these are the words which are starting with the letter C. Okay, so now everyone open your handwriting book to the page number. Open your handwriting book, green color book, to the page number 12. 1 to 12. Okay, and write CW and today's date 392021. Okay, see. C for cake. All of you like to cut and eat the cake, no? On everyone's birthday we cut the cake. So children, first of all, with your index finger you have to trace on the letter C. C, 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 C. Okay, so now we will trace on the first patterns. C. Take your pencil and start tracing on the given pattern. C. C. Yes. C. 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 Yes, very good children. So now we are going to write in the 4 lines. So I have told you that each and every capital letter we have to write it in only 3 lines. So start tracing from the pink line to third one blue line. We have to write one semicircle. Semicircle C. Semicircle makes C. Semicircle makes C. C for cat. K, k, cat. C for cap. K, k, cap. C for cake. K, k, cake. C for cartoon. K, k, cartoon. Like this you have to say and write. So you can easily remember the sound of letter C and the words which are starting with the letter C. Okay children. So after C, the next letter which we are going to learn, that is G. Okay, which letter? G. So everyone, again you have to open your new literacy skill book, and there are some pictures which are starting with the letter G. Okay, see, this is letter G. This is letter G. G, capital G and small g. And do you know what is the sound of G? The sound of G is G. G, 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 G. पानी में हम कुछ तो मिलाते हैं ना, तो हम स्टरिंग करते हैं ना, वैसे ही हमें एक्शन करनी है. ग ग ग ग ग ग ग ग. How will do action? How you will do action, children? G g g g g g g g g g. Okay, so this is the action and the sound of letter G. Okay. So children, now we will see some words which are starting with the letter G. Okay. So children, G, capital G and small g, mama letter and baby letter. Okay. So G for gift, G for gift, g, g, gift, g, g, gift. G for guava, G for guava, g, g, guava, g, g, guava. G for glass, g, g, glass. G for gate, g, g, gate. G for goat, g, g, goat. G for grapes, g, g, grapes. G for game, g, g, game. G for garden, g, g, garden. G for girl, g, g, girl. G for green, g, g, green. G for gum, g, g, gum. So these are the words which are starting with the letter G. Okay children? So children, now we will see how to write letter G. Okay? We will see how to write letter G in a handwriting book. Okay? See children? See children? G. G for goat. G, g, goat. Capital G and small g. So first of all, with your index finger, you have to trace on the letter G. First you have to write one semicircle and then sleeping line and a standing line makes letter G. Semicircle, sleeping line and standing line makes letter G. Okay. Now take a pencil and start tracing on the letter G. See? G. First of all, we have to trace on the semicircle, 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 and then sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, and then standing line, standing line, standing line, and then we have to get them together. Okay, so semicircle, sleeping line, standing line makes letter G. Semicircle, sleeping line and standing line makes letter G. So children, we have finished our tracing on the given pattern. So now we are going to write in the 4 lines. Okay. So first of all, from the pink line to the blue line, you have to draw one semicircle and go up continuously till the second one blue line like this. Okay. Then one choti sleeping line, a small sleeping line and a standing line makes letter G. Semicircle, sleeping line, standing line makes letter G. So how you will say and write? G for goat. G, g, goat. G for grapes. G, g, grapes. Okay. Like this you have to write in your notebook, Hindi handwriting book. Okay. So now everyone open your English notebook. Open your English notebook. We will write in the notebook today. Okay. We will write in the notebook. Okay, children. So, everyone write CW and today's date 3/9/2021, 3rd September 2021. सो बच्चों अब हम क्या करेंगे, हम पहले सी लिखेंगे. ओके, तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? हाउ वी विल राइट? वी विल फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ लेटर C. Okay, so which picture you want to draw? Cap or cake or carrot? We will draw some two pictures. Okay, so first we will draw carrot. Okay, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि कैरेट ड्रॉ कैसे करना है. तो पहले आपको क्या करना है, एक ऐसे स्लैंटिंग लाइन निकालनी है, फिर से ऐसे स्लैंटिंग लाइन निकालनी है और इन दोनों को ऐसे जॉइंट करना है. ओके, फिर दोनों को ऐसे जॉइंट करना है. ओके, और फिर यहाँ पे भी एक कर्व निकाल के ऐसे आपको एक कर्व निकाल के आपको जॉइंट करना है उन दोनों भी स्लीपिंग लाइंस को. देखो यहाँ पे ऐसे, और फिर ऐसे आप क्या करोगे, ऑरेंज कलर से, ऑरेंज क्रेयॉन से कलर करोगे. ओके, आप इसे कैसे करोगे, ऑरेंज क्रेयॉन से कलर करोगे और उसके ऊपर ऐसे छोटे से लाइंस निकालोगे और फिर हम उसके लीव्स ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, ऐसे हम लीव्स ड्रॉ करेंगे और फिर और एक पिक्चर निकालेंगे, वो है कैप का पिक्चर, या फिर आप केक ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. आपको केक पसंद है ना बच्चों? We will draw a picture of cake. Okay, so first draw one standing line, again one standing line and a small curve like this. Okay, and then you have to draw some valley lines like this, and then a big down U shape. Okay, a big down U shape. Okay, and then one small curve like this for the plate. And now we will draw some candles. To draw some candles, draw one rectangle shape and this curve. Okay, how many candles we should draw? We'll draw 3 candles is enough. Okay, so we'll draw 3 candles. So this is a cake, and which letter it is? C letter. So write here C, write here C. Okay, and make a box. Write here C and make a box. So C for carrot and C for cake, and both of the pictures you have to color very beautifully. Okay, so now after that we have to draw 4 columns. Okay, we have to draw 4 columns like this, and then on the first line your mama will give you to write. And remember children, you have to draw this both of the picture. Okay, don't tell your mama or papa to draw this for you. Okay, however it is, but you have to draw. Okay, जैसे भी आए चलेगा मुझे, लेकिन आपको खुद को ही ड्रॉ करना है. Okay, so from the pink line to the blue line we have to write letter C. So on the first line your mama will give you this, mama will write on this line, then afterwards on all the lines you have to write by yourself C. So how you will start? Keep your pencil on the pink line and draw a semicircle till the blue line. Okay. This is called as C. C for cake. C for carrot. Carrot. Okay. So like this you have to write on the whole page letter C. And after that, which letter we have learnt? We have learnt letter G. Which letter we have learnt? We have learnt letter G. So again write CW and today's date. Okay. So children, G for what we have learnt? G for कौन-कौन से पिक्चर हमने देखे? हाँ बताओ. Yes, G for grapes, G for glass. So easy pictures we will draw. Okay, we will draw grapes and a glass. So for how to draw grapes? Do you know how to draw grapes? So first draw 3 circles, 3 or 4 circles like this. Then in between of these 2 circles you have to write 2 circles. You have to draw 2 circles, and again in between these 2 you have to draw 1 more. Okay, you have to draw 1 more. See, and now a small lines like this. See children, and then draw a big sleeping line, 2 sleeping lines. Okay, big 2 sleeping lines, and then we will draw some curve lines like this and a leaf like this. Okay, see, these are grapes. And now we will draw a glass. For glass, draw a big slanting line like this. Again one big slanting line and one sleeping line, and again a small sleeping line like this. Okay, near to the first one sleeping line. Then draw a curve like this. Okay, and from this side again one draw. So this is called as, so this is the picture of glass. Okay, so this is the picture of glass. So which letter you will write here? G. And you make a square box. Okay, see children, like this you have to draw 2 objects, and in between of the object you have to write letter G, and you have to color beautifully to both of the objects. Okay, then again we are going to write letter G. So start to make 4 columns. Okay, start to make 4 columns. And how you will write? On the first line your mama will write, and then you have to write by yourself. Okay, this your mama will write. Now I will show you how to write letter G in 4 lines. So first आपको C निकालना है और कंटिन्यू ही आपको ऊपर तक लेके जाना है ऐसे. ओके, first you have to write C, and then you have to go up till the blue line. Then one small sleeping line and one small standing line. Okay, sleeping line and a small standing line. So it's make letter G. See children, once again, C till the blue line, second one, then small sleeping line on the blue line and small standing line in between second or third blue line, second and third blue line. Okay, so this is called as G. G for grapes, G for glass, glass, grapes, goat. Okay, if you say this all the words with sound, so you can easily remember the sound. Okay, so on the next page again you have to draw, you have to make 4 columns. Okay, you have to make 4 columns like this, and you have to draw, you have to write HW. So this is your HW, and write today's date. Okay, and then first 2 lines you have to write letter C, and another 2 lines you have to write as a G. Okay, so पहले 2 लाइन के ऊपर आप क्या लिखोगे? C, और दूसरे लाइन में आप क्या लिखोगे? G. Okay children, so this is your homework. Okay, so what work you have today in English? You have to write letter C and G as a class work in your handwriting book and in your notebook, and as a homework 1 page in your notebook. Okay, so these both pages are your class work. Okay, so children अच्छे से लिखिए. Okay, bye, take care.